back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a BMW 3 Series generation 2005-2013, and we'll show you where the fuel pump fuse is located on that thing. Now, BMW uses three different fuse boxes actually for that BMW. So depending on the year and the model, yours might differ some, so always double check that. We have more than 200 videos on this car, so please hit that subscribe button. Quite a few videos will be made. Now we'll go to the passenger side. We need to open the glove box compartment here. Okay, and in order to get to the fuses, okay, you can see that cover right here. This needs to be removed. So it has two turning things. Turn them up 90 degrees, and you can go ahead and pull the cover out. And now guys, you're in the fuse box right here. So the fuel pump fuse is, in our case it's a 20 amp fuse, okay, and it's fuse number 40. So if you come, okay, check this one here is for the windshield wipers, and if you come next to it, okay, those three, the first row, the very bottom one, that 20 amp, that's the one for the fuel pump. So I'll get the fuel, the fuse puller right up here. We use the big side because that's for the medium fuses, and I'm trying to get here, okay, and pull it out. Let me see. Okay, just like that. And this, guys, is the fuel pump fuse out of our car. Now you can check out where we get our replacement fuses in the description of the video below, so check out the link, guys. Okay, and we just push it in. So that's where it is. That's how you guys do it. Don't forget to pull your fuse puller, because if you do and you need it next time, you're not going to have it. It's very inconvenient to pull fuses without that thing, because the opening is so small, so you can barely fit your hand there. So don't forget to pull your cover. Okay, this cover, let me show you. You just get it in and turn those 90 degrees to be flat, and you're ready to go ahead, okay, and close it. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and many more videos to come.